Selling a home is one of the biggest financial decisions someone can make, and it's completely understandable. Nobody wants to spend more money than is necessary, but sometimes trying to save money up front ends up costing more in the long run. Hey, I'm Julie Sabby with Vikings Homes, brokered by eXp Realty. Let me explain. I once worked with a homeowner who decided not to invest in professional help before listing their home. They decided to handle the repairs themselves and brought in friends to assist, doing the best they could with the resources that they had. Unfortunately, while they were working on those updates, the market shifted. And when the home finally hit the market, it didn't get the attention it could have. Buyers scrolled right past, showings were slow, and eventually the price had to be adjusted downward. It wasn't that the home wasn't great, it just didn't make the first impression it needed to in a competitive market. That's why I always bring in a professional home designer to assist my sellers. She creates a personalized plan that covers everything: staging recommendations, curb appeal tips, what to repair or update, and what you can skip. Even paint colors that appeal to a wider buyer pool. She helps take the guesswork out of prep so that my clients can feel confident that their home is putting its best foot forward. The truth is, a few strategic investments made early on can lead to faster offers and a stronger sale price. Skipping that step might save a buck, but it can cost far more in time, stress, and equity. If you're thinking about selling, don't go it alone or try to figure it all out yourself. Give me a call at 763-257-7231 or send an email, julie@vikingshomes.com. Let's talk about what will actually make a difference and how to maximize your home's value without wasting time or money.